He's going. Bit of an update for yous. So, I don't know, it must have been probably about 6 or so months ago. The guys from ECOFLOW sent us out one of them ECOFLOW Deltas, so they're like a power station. When I first got it, I thought, you know, I wonder what I'm going to use this for, and it ended up working out good because we went and did that quad trip. So I used that to run the fridge, which kept us out there a little bit longer. But then I was also thinking, what else can I use it for? And something I thought about a while ago, and I just never really did it because one, I didn't want to touch the powerhouse I'd already set up because I was happy with it, and two, it was going to cost a bit, so I didn't bother going that way. But then when these guys sent this out, I thought, well, I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to see if it can run induction cooker. And well, for the last 3 or so months now, probably a bit longer, we've been running induction cooker. So all the gas bottle, gas hose, old gas cooker is all gone. As much as I loved it, I'm really liking this way. So what you want to say? At least I'm still out here doing it. I'll do it my way. Best thing I've ever done, to be honest. It's, you know, it just doesn't matter how windy it is. These are easy to clean. I regenerate my own power each day. I don't have to worry about swapping and going, all that sort of thing. So now it's worked out really well, to be honest, really well. So I just want to give you an update on it. Anyway, while we're on it, I'll cook a feed on it. These little buggers, they're like Kievs with garlic and cheese on the inside. Damn, they're good. So I have been cooking, you know, like steaks, pastas, fish, you name it. You know, I cook a lot of different things, and it's kept up with it. Some days it may vary. Some days it might drop down to, say, 50% battery charge on the Delta. And then some days, you know, when I'm only doing steaks or something like that, or even this, it may only drop down to about 70%. So it all depends on what I'm cooking. But so far, I've never had a day where I haven't had enough power to run this induction to cook on. But, you know, there's days like today, like while I'm out here now, I usually cook on the fire. But the girl and I, we went a bit of a wander today and we didn't get back till late. Went out exploring and that. So it's good to come back and cook an easy feed, I guess. Not have to worry about lighting the fire or anything. I think we're going to sleep well tonight. It's definitely been a long day, been a good day. But yeah. So here I'm currently charging them. Charging the Delta is with one of their 220 watt bifacial solar panels. So that seems to be keeping up with it pretty good. I am going to try another way though, because sometimes, like I said, depends on what I cook and depends on how low it gets down to. Some days it'll be charged really quick, and then I feel I'm wasting that extra power that panel could be doing for something else. So what I might end up doing is running them panels through another regulator into my camper trailer batteries, getting my batteries charged up even quicker, and then using the inverter on my camper trailer setup to charge the Delta. I think that might be an alright idea too. So I'm going to see how it goes anyway. You've got to trial and error these things, can't you? No good getting told by someone what can and can't work if they don't actually do it themselves. That's what I think anyway. Also, the guys are having an end of the year financial sale. So I'll leave a link for you. It goes, I'm a bit late to the party. It started at the beginning of this month, the 1st, and it goes to, I think it's the 30th of June. So they have some good deals. They also running a deal on the Delta, the one I use for doing this induction cooking and that. we'll have a quick gander to see what we're getting down to. So it's going on and off because I've only got it set on a low setting on the induction. It flickers so you can't really see much, sorry, but we're down to 92% and one side's pretty much done. Look, I'm guesstimating maybe 85 we'll get down to, so not long to go. Better clear the outside table. I love dining out. Most times I'll be cooking on this bad bugger. Oh, it tastes good, little wood-fired stove, but like I said, we've been out all day and we're pretty stuffed, so I just wanted something easy, and you can't get much easier than that. I don't have to stoke it. What did we get down to? 89%. It's not bad of a guess, eh? You kind of get the gist after using it for a while what it's going to get down to. You have an idea anyway, a bit of an idea, but I dig it. Well, scrub time. Well, hope you enjoyed that little one. Like I said, just a little short video, show you where I'm at. If you want to see a bit more details about it than that, guys, either jump onto their website, and if you want to see more how I run it and what I'm using it for, it'll be coming out, I reckon it'll be in the next couple of weeks in one of the YouTube series, so I'm going to add that into it a bit more. And like I said, I'm going to trial and error, using the solar panel on it and then taking it off and running that solar panel on the camper trailer, and then using the camper trailer setup to charge that Delta. I'm going to figure out which is more efficient for me. At the moment, it's working, so I like that, but I'll see what else is going to work for me as well. Anyway, I'm starving. Oh, deadly. Look at that. Bloody hot too. Oh, look at the cheese in it. Little bit of diced onion. Mate. Too easy, guys. Catches. Wait. Look at the cheese. Can you see that cheese coming out? Oh, I like cheese.